today we're in Pretoria at Volvo Sprades and we are launching the new C3 Aircross SUV. Some of the key features in the C3 Aircross SUV includes the fact that it comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission, only one in its segment, and this car has a 205 Nm torque, so that just makes sure that you have an excellent drive. And more features is the fact that you can actually take out the last rows in the 7-seater, which means you have more space. The car just has ample leg room. There's multiple charging ports, and it's big and busty as well.
I think this was a brilliant update, honestly. It looks really good. It's giving like sports vibe, but looks good as a city crossover.
I'm happy with the suspension. They call it the Aircross. I know, they mean it. Very nice suspension, handles well on the bumps. And yeah, that 1.2-liter turbo is doing the things, yeah.
I think one suspension, they got it right. I haven't been in another Citroën in about a year and a half, so it's relative to what I've seen back then, but this just feels much better.
As a techie, the standout feature for me off the bat was the 10-inch HD display. That thing looks gorgeous. It's capacitive, it works really well, it's quick, and I connected my Bluetooth in about 10 seconds if I'm not mistaken.
They've got their little styling bits and pieces that are Citroën and pure Citroën, and also a lot of practicality as well. And that comes into it too.
I think it's a great package, especially for the price. It feels solid, it drives well. I think with the right marketing, they have a winner here.
This car can appeal to anybody and everybody. I am the person, I never want to drive the same car as everyone else. I've always wanted to be different. Citroën has always been one of those brands that spelt different.
Well, against its competitors, I think it'll do well, mainly because of pricing. I think it's incredibly best price. I think if someone gets a test drive and drives them back to back with its closest competitors, it'll do well because of pricing.
So the models will be on sale from July. Prices are 344,900. For the 7-seater, it's 10,000 Rand more. But I think Citroën is on an exciting journey. So we're launching later in the year also a manual transmission of the C3 Aircross. And then next year we've got another exciting model that we'll be launching, which will also be in the sub 400 price category in the market, which we believe will be very attractive to our buying customers out there.